Vasant Panchami. Vasant Panchami, 16th February 2021, Tuesday. What is Vasant Panchami and how is it celebrated? Vasant Panchami, also known as Saraswati Puja, Shri Panchami or the Basant festival of the kites. It is a Hindu and Sikh festival held on the 5th day of the traditional Indian calendar month of Magha, usually early February. It is a public in many parts of India. The festival marks the end of winter and the beginning of spring. Vasant Panchami means the 5th day, Panchami, of spring, Vasant. It takes place 40 days before Holi and marks the start of preparation for Holi. On this day, Hindus worship Saraswati Devi, the goddess of wisdom, knowledge, music, art, and culture. The color yellow is strongly associated with Vasant Panchami, representing the fields of mustard, which are a common sight in the Punjab and Haryana areas at this time of year. People wear bright yellow clothes and cook colorful food to mark the beginning of spring, with many of the dishes cooked being yellow, such as methi chawal, sweetened rice, flavored with saffron. Like Makar Sankranti, kite flying is popular custom associated with this festival, particularly in Punjab and Haryana. Flying kites on this day signifies freedom and enjoyment. Because this time the Vasant Panchami is falling on a Tuesday, praying to Lord Hanuman and Lord Muruga, who represent the planet Mars, is very auspicious. How planetary alignment help you achieve success and happiness today? Today, the day Lord Mars is in its own Moola Trikona Rasi and it moves from Bharani Nakshatra, Venus star, to Kritika Nakshatra, Sun star, around sunrise time. Mars in Kritika and Sun in Dhanishta is forming an auspicious nakshatra exchange. While Kritika Nakshatra is all about Dahana Shakti, the ability to burn our impurities and sorrow. Dhanishta Nakshatra is all about Kyapayatri Shakti, the ability to bring name, fame, and immense wealth. Thus, though our actions and by offering prayers to Goddess Saraswati, Hanuman, and Muruga, we can surely attract not just immense wealth but also immense fame and recognition and build our reputation to the highest level today. Be it at home or at work or in the society. We will get immense wisdom, energy, and courage to do even the most difficult tasks and can easily attain all our goals and desires. The moon is placed in one of the most auspicious and wealthy nakshatras, Revati, Mercury star. The moon is also aspected by Saturn today. This again confirms that our mind will be focused on gaining more wealth and recognition today through our effort and hard work. In terms of other auspicious planetary placements, Venus is also in Dhanishta, Mars star, and Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn are in Shravana, Moon star. This is very good and ensures us wealth and prosperity today through the advice of our elders and gurus. Let's now take a look at the do's and don'ts. The do's: observe fast if health permits. Meditate and chant mantras for Goddess Saraswati, Hanuman, Muruga, and planet Mars. Read Hanuman Chalisa and Sundarakanda for Hanuman and Kanda Sashti Kavacham for Muruga. Wear red clothes. Offer fruits and flowers to Goddess Saraswati, Hanuman, and Muruga. The don'ts: refrain from immoral acts. Do not consume non-vegetarian food or alcohol. Do not hurt or be rude to anyone. Do not talk unless necessary and be sweet in your words. Do not be egoistic and do not get angry on anyone.